Good day, my friends. You can see by the bag, I made a Harbor Freight run today. We had to get out and do some shopping, so I stopped by there and picked up a couple items. I'll share it with you. Let's see, I got a carbon monoxide detector and put on the wall down here. Smoke detector is up on the ceiling up there. It works just fine. I got another carbon monoxide detector upstairs and smoke detectors upstairs. I bought me one of these little trays with the open sides. You can sort nuts and bolts in it. I'm not going to do it right now, but you can sit here and sort out your mixed up nuts and bolts and just spit them right out this side like it's a drugstore when they're counting pills. I'm not going to do it right now. Well, I can pour better than that. Anyway, I got that little tinker toy. Two of them made it to the floor anyway. Pick those up in a minute. Now this duplicate here, I don't know if it's any count or not, but I thought I'd play with it. It's just a toy. It says plastic welding kit. I wonder if I can use that on my teleprompter project. I have not opened it yet. It looks like a soldering iron from what I could see here. Haven't read any instructions. Great for repair problems like TPO, TEO, PP materials such as car bumpers. Exactly what it looks like, a big old soldering iron, branding iron. I presume that's what fell out of the box. A wire brush. I guess you weld with these little pieces of plastic. I think I better watch a couple of videos on YouTube. Maybe somebody will tell me how to do it before I tackle that. Oh, got a little piece of wire screen. Pretty self-evident what that's for. You just melt it right down into the plastic. What I'm thinking about doing, and I haven't got no definite plans. See, that thing in there is plastic. Well, these picture frames are plastic too. It might be possible just to weld a picture frame in there. But I'm definitely going to have to cut that out. I'll tinker with that sometime. But I sure got me a little play toy. Like I ain't got enough play toys around here. They don't really think I could read that writing, do they? Take a telescope to read that. Anywho, I guess you just take this thing and smear it down through there and hope the plastic melts together. We'll have to check out a YouTube video on that. You can learn anything on YouTube. Most of them just plundering down here today. I didn't even look how much I spent. I spent $39. Plastic welding kit was $16.99. Carbon monoxide detector was $15.99. Original price was $19.99. They gave me 20% off. I saved $4. They gave me a free flashlight. I hung it up there. I got a couple of those things around here. But you can always use a flashlight, can't you? Got me an old sub sandwich upstairs. I'm going to eat that for dinner tonight. I was going to work on tinkering with stuff on my project today, but I've still got some more video editing to do up there. So I guess that's what I'll work on the rest of the evening. Anyhow, my friends, I appreciate y'all sticking with me on my project. It really has been a drawn-out project, and I might not ever accomplish anything with this. I mean, it might not work when I get done, but it won't be because I didn't try. And we get to do things in the shop every day. Just don't come out guaranteed that everything's going to be 100% success. Y'all have a good evening. It's Pwalpar saying take care.